The train that left me on platform 1 was supposed to be a Moorgate service, but it turned to a London King's Cross service, and there's a Great Northern service, class 717, correct me in the comments, but I've never seen that kind of train change into a King's Cross service. Interesting. But I'm at Finsbury Park station waiting for my Moorgate service, coming in less than 10 minutes, and I'll be changing at Moorgate for Liverpool Street. What's cool about Moorgate station is this secret entrance and exit to get to the Northern Line and the Hammersmith and City, Metropolitan and Circle lines and the Elizabeth line. It's perfect. Use it. It's quiet and calm. Waiting for my Hainault via Reading Valley service. And here comes the Greenshire service. Well, Hainault train. I'm on the footbridge at Hainault station, which connects passengers to all platforms here. That's good. Great connection. And the sun is setting. In 2 hours' time it would be dark, or less than an hour, 1 hour's time would be dark. And it's a Friday. Now, last Friday was when the I don't know how many new refurbished Central Line trains rolled out for the Wooford branch, but I saw on YouTube a few videos of people who recorded the journey and like what the new refurbished Central Line trains looks like, and I read the news about the new Central Line trains, and it costs TfL. TfL paid, I don't know if it was TfL. Well, TfL do control these trains, or Transport, or London Underground. One of the two paid £500 million, which is a lot of money, to get these train refurbished. For the Wooford branch, I don't think there's any new refurbished trains running, or train running. So I'm not thinking I shouldn't ask and just like give up. Yeah. I don't know. I might ask. I know.
For your own safety, please stand behind the yellow lines at all times.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
I was about to say, ladies and gentlemen and gentlemen, it is starting to get very cold out there. Very, very cold. I am feeling like, is it frostbites? Like, cold air is biting my hands.
Transferring all stations to Woodford and he's ready to depart. Mind God,
Yeah.
please stand clear.
I was thinking of going up Grange Hill and just checking out what's there. And seeing if it's still Lacey Station. But I might have to check that off the list. I'll see how I feel. I might go home via Woodford. Snaresbrook. Yeah, to reduce the confusion. They should really change the Hainault via Woodford name to like a Hainault via Chigwell. Yeah. And then have a Hainault via, well, Hainault via Newbury Park's fine, but like they should change Hainault via Woodford or Woodford via Hainault to a Chigwell, Hainault via Chigwell, no wait, Woodford via Chigwell, yeah. But if it's at Woodford and it's going to, okay, actually, no, let's keep it, it sounds, yeah. I'm now arriving at Grange Hill. I don't think I'll get off here now. Oh my gosh, this is... if only I showed you guys. No mind. It was like a Central Line train running without, like, it's like half of the Central Line train running. Yeah. Grange Hill.
This is Grange Hill. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Had to move carriages because there was
Ready
going to
to
be...
depart, mind God, stand clear, please.
There was one person entering the carriage I was just in, and I don't want to make it awkward. Me just recording myself in a truck carriage. I thought I was going to be alone in, and then he's there, so he's going to be looking at me like, what's going on? And he probably wishing he would be in a carriage for himself. Because there are people who don't want to be on camera, and I don't want to, you know, just like shut the camera in people's faces. But like, hey, you're on camera, I'm gonna put you online. I'm not like that. But there are times I have to because I want to get like trains arriving at stations or departing stations. Yeah. Also, I get a bit nervous when going through the tunnel now. Also, I get a bit nervous when there's too many people, like, and I want to record like a train arriving at a station or like a part of the station and get like a really good shot. Yeah, there are times I don't get the really good shots, but I think I've done good shots. Let me know down in the comments what you think of my shots for my train videos. But yeah, I decided not to get out for Grange Hill.
The next station
I don't know when the newly refurbished trains will be rolled out for this branch, the Wooford branch, Hainault via Wooford branch or Wooford via Hainault branch. But let me know if you know what days and what times newly refurbished trains will be used for the Central Line's Hainault via Woodford and Woodford via Hainault branch. I hope you have a great weekend and a great rest of your week. Happy December. December's arrived, 24 days to Christmas. And yeah, I'll catch you soon.
Woodford. This is a Central Line train to Woodford.
Guys, a train disappeared and you won't believe what it's gonna be.